Hello guys, let's talk about the very interesting topic, that is the problems related to the HSC computer science problem, and including from 2023 to the 2024 latest version in bilingual languages. So let's start the computer question. Particularly, system software is a software that interface between the user, the application software and the computer software hardware. तो कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर के बीच में जो एक्ट एज इंटरफेस काम करता है वो है सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. What are the next question in this page? In this page, one more important question. Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute located in Avikanagar. And the computer questions are not in this page. So move on the next question. A cell that does not adjust to the new cell location when copied or moved is called absolute reference. Okay. So the next question. Blank space is a www server that respond to the request made by the web browser. वेब ब्राउजर पे जो हम सर्च करते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट डालते हैं, उसको रिस्पॉन्ड कौन करता है? तो वो करता है वेब सर्वर. वेब सर्वर इज अ www सर्वर दैट रिस्पॉन्ड टू द रिक्वेस्ट मेड बाय द वेब ब्राउजर. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हरियाणा का ये है यंत्र पीतल से बना दो साँझ वाले कप की एक मजीरा आकृति का होता है, तो वो मजीरा होता है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ओनली कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चंस एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following option let you add a border around a selection or change the color of the paper within a selection? That is called border and shading. In Hindi, if you are looking for निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा विकल्प आपको चयनित भाग में पेपर का रंग बदलने या चयनित भाग के चारों ओर बॉर्डर को जोड़ने की अनुमति देता है? तो दैट इज बॉर्डर एंड शेडिंग. What are the next question? And particularly computer questions, yes, one question are there. Data is arranged as a series of concentric ring in hard disk and the ring is called sector, tracks, floppy disk और magnetic tape. So सही आंसर है tracks, क्योंकि tracks are further divided into the sector. So tracks are in the form of the concentric rings. And these are the also question. Which of the following what shortcut key is used to the highlight the entire column of the Excel? Control plus space plus bar. Which of the following designated to the control the operation of the computer? System software. So control कौन करता है कंप्यूटर के ऑपरेशंस को? सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. Which are the following access the server? Web client. 1926, all the Muslim League demand the first time to separate of Haryana. That is different thing. But the which one of the following access the server? Web client. And in this page, smallest unit that can be written or read from the disk is called sector. A formula is a equation that perform operation our worksheet data is called formula. Range is the difference between highest and lowest value. So this is also computer problem. Now let's move on the next thing, and the question is blank space is set of rule protocol that govern how the computer can be transmitted over the www. So that is called hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol is the protocol that govern how data can be transmitted over the internet, over the www. So this is very good question. So now the next question is expanded form of EDO, expandable dynamic output. EDO full form क्या होती है? Expandable dynamic output. So you can also see the Hindi in Hindi as well. So now the next question is Reflection is defined as the change in the direction of the light when passes from one transparent medium to the another of different optical density. The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal ray all lie in the same plane is called the reflection. Blank space is an interconnection of the autonomous computer for the purpose of communication and data sharing computer network. So computer network is an interconnection network that uh, communication and sharing computer network. Computer network is an interconnection of the autonomous computer for the purpose of communication and data sharing. कम्युनिकेशन और डेटा शेयरिंग के लिए किसका यूज करेंगे? कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज malware स्टैंड फॉर. malware किसे स्टैंड करता है? malicious सॉफ्टवेयर. malware स्टैंड फॉर malicious सॉफ्टवेयर. So now the next question is here. Blank space is a large myopa small hypermetry and this is optical disc. And which of the following is a common distribution channel of the malware? So downloaded from the internet, यहाँ से भी malware आ सकता है, spam email से आ सकता है, network propagation से आ सकता है, all of these. So which of the following common distribution of the channel of the malware? Downloaded from the internet, spam email, network propagation, all of these. Aculomotor supplier now to. Which country is also known as the land of thousand lakes? Finland. Structured query language when all the value are sorted in ascending or descending order. The middle value is known as median. A circuit that change a binary code into a particular set of signal. Decoder. The circuit that change a binary code into a particular set of signal. Decoder. Framer from one LAN can be transmitted to the another LAN via a device that is called bridge. Framer from one LAN can be transmitted to the another LAN via a device that is called bridge. You can set another border at the axle. तो फ्रैमर जो होता है वो एक लॉन से दूसरी लॉन में ट्रांसमिट हो सकता है वाया डिवाइस दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रिज. Which of the following options is not available in the past special dialog box? SQRT is not available. बाकी add device और subtract they are all available. Abstract add and divide is available but SQRT is not available. Accessing record from the file directly without searching from the beginning of the file is called direct access. And then the next question is wireless local area network is popularly known as Wi-Fi. Wireless local area network is known as Wi-Fi. So now next question. What is an operating system? A program that manages the hardware resource of a computer. Okay, a program that manages the hardware resource of computer. एक प्रोग्राम जो कंप्यूटर के हार्डवेयर संसाधनों का प्रबंध करता है, रख रखाव करता है या फिर मैनेज करता है. And the question is not there, but one question is yes, of course, one question is there in this page also. Which register is used to hold the memory address of data being read from or written to a memory? कौन सा रजिस्टर का यूज़ कर सकते हैं कोई डेटा को रीड करने के लिए जब से वो लिखा जाता है? तो मेमोरी एड्रेस रजिस्टर. मेमोरी में पढ़े या लिखे जाने वाले डेटा के मेमोरी एड्रेस को होल्ड करने के लिए किस रजिस्टर का प्रयोग किया जाता है? तो मेमोरी एड्रेस रजिस्टर. So memory address register is used to hold the memory address of data being read from the return to memory. मेमोरी में पढ़े या लिखे जाने वाले डेटा के मेमोरी एड्रेस को होल्ड करने के लिए किस रजिस्टर का प्रयोग करोगे? मेमोरी एड्रेस रजिस्टर. And the next question is internet protocol address is a unique address that can be used to uniquely identify each node in a network. So internet protocol address is a uniquely address that can be uniquely identify each node of network. Component not a part of central processing unit. So memory unit is not the part because arithmetic logic unit and control unit is a part. Okay. So what are the next question? This is our converting the octal to the number. Octal number is a conversion, that is you can read the from the things is 0001 is stand for 1 and 0010 is a 2, and that is all right. You can study from the book this question. What are the next question? This is the same kind of problem as well, so you can study it, nothing be problem. Function key in the computer keyboards are labeled from F1 to the F4, F12 and are located at the top of the keyboard above the number pad. They can use to perform specific tasks and are useful for getting things done quickly. Here are some example of what the other function are doing. So now the next things you are looking for, and here is that output of the compiler is called object code. What are the next question? Structure query language to select all the data available in a table. We use which of the following select statement? Select into form into table name. This is right. Yes. In Python, trying to add an element to a full stack result in exceptions of overflow. पाइथन में पूर्ण स्टैक में एक तत्व को जोड़ने का प्रयास करने से ओवरफ्लो नामक एक उत्पाद उत्पन्न होता है. इन पाइथन ट्राइंग टू एड एलिमेंट टू फुल स्टैक result is an exception of overflow. So now this is a general questions. In Paralympic, India won 7 gold, 9 silver and 13 bronze. Overall 29 medal. This is a historic first time India ever do this. Recently, which country has the new number of the BRICS development, and that is Algeria. New member of the BRICS, Algeria. Daegu Case helped to the India win their first ever gold medal in the open selection of the Chess Olympiad on Saturday, September 21 in the Budapest. Grandmaster and the World Championship Challenge Daegu Case put it cross Fabino Chrono of Marided Suste Lan Inthez or Yanda in their gold. Uniform resource locator is a specific character string that constitutes a reference to the resource. Reference to the resource we can consider uniform resource locator. So now next question is a firewall is a network, a filter, and based on the predefined security rules, it continuously monitor and control the incoming and outgoing traffic. इनकमिंग और आउटगोइंग ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल के लिए किसका यूज करते हैं? फायरवॉल का. Linear search is an exhaustive searching technique where every element of the given list is compared to the item to be searches. Floppy disk is a soft magnetic disk that use a thin circular disk for data storage. Floppy disk is a magnetic storage disk that use circular disk for data storage. That is very important. You are talking about here, and the question is the floppy disk is a soft magnetic storage that use a thin circular disk for a data storage. Now the next question is, which of the following is the non-impact printer? Dot matrix, teletyper, line or inkjet? So the right option is inkjet printer is non-impact printer. So the next question is, each location of the memory has the unique number is called memory address. Each location of the memory has the unique number called the memory address. Each location of the memory has the unique number. मेमोरी के प्रत्येक स्थान की एक विशिष्ट संख्या होती है जिसे मेमोरी एड्रेस कहते हैं. Okay? Each location in a memory has a unique number is called memory address. To display the record of the descending order, blank space increasing the need to be written in the, so descending, DESC, option number second, B is right. Scientific name of the single, not a laptop is a not blank space is a specialized single user computer that specially has a more power and feature than a standard desktop personal computer. That is a workstation is a specialized single user computer that typically has more power and feature than a standard desktop personal computer. What is a multiprocessor? A system with multiple central processing unit working together. मल्टीप्रोसेसर कई सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट के एक साथ कार्य करने की एक प्रणाली है. So multiprocessor is a system with multiple central processing unit working together. Static random access memory is a type of semiconductor memory that use bistable latching security to store each bit. Static random access memory is a type of semiconductor memory that use bistable latching security to the each bit. Open source software refer to the software whose source code is available to the customer and it can be modified and redistributed without any limitation. Open source software is a software source code is available to the customer and it is modified and redistributed without any limitation. उस सॉफ्टवेयर को संदर्भित करता है ओपन सिस्टम्स ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर जिस सोर्स कोड ग्राहकों के लिए उपलब्ध है और ये बिना किसी प्रतिबंध के संशोधित और पुनरावर्तित किया जा सकता है. So the next question is, malware is a software developed with an intention to damage hardware device, steal data or cause any other trouble to the user. सो मालवेयर किसी भी डिवाइस को ट्रबल में डालने के लिए, स्टील करने के लिए कोई डेटा और कोई हार्डवेयर को डैमेज करने के लिए मालवेयर होता है. सिस्टमों में अपने आप ही आ जाता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सटेंशन यूज फॉर द एक्सेल .xlsx? Oscar 2025 India's official entry. Kiran Rao Directional Lapata. Ladies, a film that will be represent the nation is highly competitive best international feature film category. उस भारतीय रोटी का नाम बताइए जो कि द्वीप में पाई जाती है पूरी कंप्यूटर. What is the purpose of the associative memory in the computer system? That is called to search the data without knowing the exact memory address. What is the purpose of the associative memory in a computer system? To sort data without knowing the exact memory address. Without knowing the exact memory address. The purpose of the associative memory is a computer system to allow the multiple programs to share same memory access, or purpose of associative memory in the computer system to search data without knowing the exact memory address. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में मेमोरी एसोसिएटिव का क्या कार्य होता है? एंड द क्वेश्चन आंसर इज टू सर्च द डेटा विदाउट नोइंग द एग्जैक्ट मेमोरी एड्रेस. जहाँ पे अपना डेटा का पता नहीं है लेकिन इसका यूज़ करता है. Anupma Upadhyay has become the winner of the Senior National Badminton Championship 2023. That is right, yes. Which of the following is the correct syntax for the multi-line comment in the C? Multi-line multiply से स्टैंड करता है तो बी ऑप्शन ठीक है. That is right, yes. What are the next question you are looking for? Blank space is a translate one line at a time instead of the whole programs at one go. Interceptor. इंटरसेप्टर एक साथ पूरे प्रोग्राम के बजाय एक लाइन का अनुवाद कर सकता है. सो इंटरसेप्ट एंड इंटरसेप्ट ट्रांसलेट लाइन एट अ टाइम इंस्टेड ऑफ होल प्रोग्राम. इंटरसेप्ट एक लाइन को एक बार में पढ़ता है इंस्टेड ऑफ होल प्रोग्राम. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिसीज इज कॉज इन द ऑर्गेज्म? दिस इज नॉट योर पार्ट. एंड हरियाणा हाई कोल रतन अभ्यारण 2004. And now the next question is, data are transferred between different components of a computer system using peripheral wires called buses. This football player won the best FIFA player award in 2023, Lionel Messi. So now the picture are very clear, and the question is, what is the paragraph in C and collection of nodes? And what are the next question? Which of the following is a legal bitwise operator? That is, sign of AND is known as legal bitwise operator. So you need to learn and mug up all these things. What does the TTL stand for? Transistor logic. TTL stand for transistor logic. What percentage of the rural consumer income is spent on groceries? So 27%. Which of the following company has launched the Sagun gift and insurance policy? SBI General Insurance. Rajasthan has its high court principal seat is the Jodhpur. Which capital city is Manipur? Shillong. Meghalaya is not that, but Imphal. Manipur. Capital of Manipur is Imphal. What is a recruiter in the computer programs? Computer program में recruiter क्या होता है? A function that call itself. What is a recursion in the computer program? A function that calls itself. Binary code is what? A system of the representing information using the two digits 0 and 1. That is right, yes. The function is used to open a binary file. Open, and this is simple. That is for open. Okay, function used to open the binary file. तो f open at the rate f open bracket, that is a option is right. हरियाणा के मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर लाल खट्टर ने 2023 में गांव को 24 घंटे बिजली आपूर्ति के लिए जगमग गांव 5223 हो गई है. 7356 villages in Haryana. What is a function in C? A block of the code that perform a specific task that can be called from other part of the computer. So what is a function in C? A block of code that perform a specific task and can be called from other part of programs. Kyoto Protocols is sustainable development as a result of Rio Earth Summit 1992, that is Agenda 2021. Agenda 21. What is the primary cause of ozone layer depletion? Chlorofluorocarbon, that is right. Principle of Haryana government 10,000 crore clean water project sustainable development is launched for Haryana World Bank. Gaon Ki Aur novel is written by Madhukant. What is the computer problems are there, and the computer problems? Which sector employ the highest proportion of the India's population? Agriculture. Which of the following is a gaseous air pollutant? Particulate of matter is not there, but oxide of sulfur. Which disease is caused excess fluoride drinking of the water? That is called melting the teeth. Which of the following statement is true? Two-way selection in the programming. Two-way selection in the programming, it is used to execute a block of code either of a condition is true or false. Montreal Protocol is ozone depletion layer substance related है. वायुमंडल में N2 की सांद्रता का प्रभाव क्या है? श्वसन रोग और पौधों को नुकसान पहुंचाना. सतल मंडल में शामिल है भूपोपृटी और ऊपरी मंडल दोनों. पारिस्थितिक तंत्र में पर जल प्रदूषण का एक महत्वपूर्ण प्रभाव क्या है? जलीय जीवन को नष्ट होना. हरियाणा के किस शहर में भारत के पहले एलिवेटेड रेलवे ट्रैक के निर्माण की मंजूरी दी है? हरियाणा के किस शहर में भारत के पहले एलिवेटेड रेलवे ट्रैक के निर्माण की मंजूरी दी गई है? हरियाणा के किस जिले में हिरण पार्क है? हिसार. हरियाणा का पहला डाकघर पासपोर्ट केंद्र करनाल में है. ध्वनि प्रदूषण की परिभाषित करे अवांछनीय प्रदूषण. रसायन शास्त्र में मेट्रोलॉजी की अवधारणा मापने के लिए की जाती है. What is a component provide the stable reference frequency in the digital counter time instrument, and that is called oscillator. What is the overall gain of the negative feedback on this is right, but what percentage of the state subsidy is provided for the solar water pumping system to the farmer? That is a 75%. Designer to uniquely identify the tuple in a relation is called the primary key of that relation. Python does not have the character data type string of length 1 is considered as a character. 1 को हम Python की data string में consider नहीं करते. Primary function of the wavelength sector, that is the answer is number 3, and limit the radiation is observed. In microprocessor, program counter register is used to store the output arithmetic logic or input output operation. The program counter, not the program counter but the accumulator in a microprocessor, accumulator register is used to store output and arithmetic logical or input output operation. The temperature at which the real gas obey ideal gas law over an appreciable range of pressure is called Boyle's temperature. Within the elastic limit, the ratio of longitudinal stress to the longitudinal stress, that is called the Young modulus. Which among the following is a distinctive feature of the Panipat? यहाँ पे हथकरघा की एक परंपरा है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हाल में ही हरियाणा के किस वन्यजीव अभ्यारण्य के अंदर 4 बांधों पर निर्माण पर रोक लगाई है? तो कलेसर वन्यजीव अभ्यारण्य. सुप्रीम कोर्ट recently has stayed construction of 4 dam inside the Haryana. Which of the following wildlife sanctuary? That is called Kalesar Wildlife Sanctuary. Which of the following is not a flag in 8085? वायु त्रुभा भवन नोपदेश की रचना किसने करी? चौरंगी नाथ. Whenever a surf of the internet using a smartphone, tablet, computer, etc. will leave a trail of data reflecting the active performing by us online, which is given by, that is a digital footprint. Storage is used for the memory that exists on disk, compact disk, floppies or tap. हरियाणा उर्दू साहित्य अबाबिल ख्वाजा अब्बास अहमद द्वारा लिखा गया था. Assert and assert statement in Python is used to test an expression in the program code. MOSFET stand for metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. That is the option number B is right. Which of the following magnetic materials are preferred for the permanent magnet? Hard magnetic material with high permanence. Blank space is a unit where the all arithmetic operators logical units are performed. Arithmetic logic unit. This is right. Haryana government has announced the set up of the state first sport university, that is in Sonipat. Secondary storage device can hold more storage data than main memory and is less expensive. Okay, secondary storage डिवाइस मैन मेमोरी में अधिक डेटा रख सकती है और सस्ता भी होता है. सोनीपत में हरियाणा की पहली स्पोर्ट यूनिवर्सिटी बन रही है. Blank space is a Python hold data items in key value pair, that is called dictionaries. Dictionary in Python holds data items in key value pair. So that is all the things, and that is right. Okay, so hope so you understand all the question. If you like the video, you must like it.